What's up guys, Beaks Wheels here for another video. Today we installed the second radiator fan on. See, we got it wired up here. Got the fan right there. So this isn't really a how-to, but this is going to be more of a finished product of the fans being installed and working. Got a switch over here, right here. As you hear that, kicks on, that fan goes, and also that fan right there. So before we kill the battery, so getting started with the fan, there's a top bolt right here that you can mount the actual fan to. You just gotta kind of makeshift it for yourself. What I found that works with the fan here is that is a bracket off your fork of your 0304 if you put 06 on your bike. There's two little holes there. One you screw in and it works. It's got like threads already through it for that. And then up in there, just get the fan and a little bushing to kind of help with that. As we go over here to the side with the thermostat, so I just wired into it right here, right there, on here, and that's actually the blue wire there with the white, and then there's one with the negative. Believe I went to the negative one, and that one fired up all the way to the that's to the switch here. So that comes into the switch from here, runs all the way up in there to the thermostat. Alright, so if we take off the seat here, I'm gonna use the camera hand real quick. There we go. So if I take off the seat and get this bolt out, probably have to just take this bolt out one time or not. Just hope it stays one time. I mean, I got zip ties there, it won't really move. Alright, so we got that out of the way. Bam, right there. Goodies. Alright, so this wire here is running to the switch, and that is taking off my switch here that goes to my front light. Sorry to blind all you. There you go, off like that. So that runs off that power that runs straight to the battery, so I just clipped in there. So that goes to that, and then easy as that, you just click it on. I was gonna do the switch light. As you guys see, there's a switch light there. When I turn it on, it does not turn on. So, I mean, I'm not too worried about that. I mean, if it's on, I know it's on. So, I mean, it's really as simple as that. Other than making a bracket and stuff for yourself. Also, if you have a 636 here, I have an 0304. This little bracket in there, if y'all can see that, is a little like tube with a bolt that, or tube with a hole through it, kind of like a bushing, metal bushing, I guess you want to say. It's like an inch and a half, inch and 3/4. Got it made at work. And if you want to run both fans, there's also a sensor in there that you got to turn around and face it the opposite way, which is kind of a pain in the butt, but once you get it, you're good. And then same with this bracket. If you don't have it, you're not going to be able to put the radiator back on. It's just going to be hanging there. So also, when you guys take off the radiator to do the fans, I would suggest checking all your radiator vents, all in between there. Make sure you don't have any leaks or anything like that. And then I run, if you guys know what the blue one is, engine ice, so that helps keep it cool. Just got done riding here actually, and ran about 170 total for the whole day just riding. If I was sitting at a light, or 165, 170, I'll give it to it. it's doing its job right now. But sitting at a light's probably like 180, 185. So not too bad. But other than that, guys, it's gonna be a short video. Just how to put the fan on. I mean, how it works, where the wires run to. If you guys have any questions about wiring, let me know down in the comments below. I'll probably, when I'm pointing out pictures like the bracket in there, this little tool here, I'll probably I took some pictures before, so I'll probably just throw those in the video. Also, sorry for not posting any videos for the past 2 weeks. Just been busy. Went out of town one weekend with some family, and then the next weekend it kind of rained all weekend, so I'll give you guys just a little bit of a walkthrough. I'll walk around on my bike right now, see where it sits at. Hopefully this tomorrow or Friday we're gonna have a scrape bar, so we'll be able to put that in. I'll show you guys how to wire up the rear tail light with some LEDs. Hopefully. Wow, I probably should get a new radiator. I didn't even see that till now. Maybe that's what my wheel's doing to it. Other than that, guys, I'll let you know how that goes. Shit. But other than that, this is Beegs Wheels signing out. Hopefully we get the scrape bar in tomorrow, Friday. You guys have a good weekend, good week. I'll try and get some more video content out there. Sorry for not posting, like I said. Just been busy, and it's no excuse because it's what I'm passionate about. So we're gonna be out here about every day until ROC. If you guys don't know, September 14th. Let's go. Come to St. Louis. I don't know if it's at Shady Jack's or not right now, but come down, visit. I'll be there. If you guys see me, you'll see me by my bike. Y'all don't know how I look yet, but we'll talk about that in another video. So yeah, peace, guys.